In this video, we'll look at ranked choice voting, or instant runoff election as it's often called, and how it would work in a state like Michigan. Michigan is currently a plurality voting state, meaning if more than two candidates run for an office, whoever gets the most votes, or a plurality, wins, even if it's not a majority. In this example, candidate B wins the election with only 35% of the vote, even though 65% of voters prefer someone else. To solve this problem, some states use majority voting, where the top two candidates face each other in a runoff election, and the winner is the one who gets over 50% of the vote. In this example, candidate A wins the runoff election since they picked up enough votes from eliminated candidate C to push them over 50%. Now the winner has broader majority support, and the politics should be less divisive since the candidates know that to win, they need the support of a majority of voters rather than just a narrow plurality. The problem with runoff elections is they delay the final results by weeks because it takes time to set up an election. Election officials have to spend taxpayer money to hold the runoff election, and voter turnout tends to be lower in runoff elections. The good news is these problems can be easily solved using ranked choice voting, where voters simply mark their preferences on their original ballot just in case a runoff is needed. Now when the votes are counted and candidate C is eliminated, those who voted for candidate C have their votes instantly redistributed, according to their preferences, to candidates A and B. Now we get the benefits of a traditional runoff election, broader support, and less division without the costs. So who would possibly oppose this? Well, it would be special interest groups that don't align with a majority of voters who want to keep winning divisive elections with a minority of the vote. It's a big problem, but ranked choice voting can solve it.